AI race between browsers. Welcome to the ultimate showdown, the battle to end all battles, the AI race between browsers. It's like the Olympics, but for web browsers. Get ready to witness some serious speed, precision, and power as tech companies fight tooth and nail to claim the gold medal of AI integration in their browsers. But don't worry, we're not going to bore you with the technical jargon and mind-numbing statistics. We're going to make this race as fun and entertaining as possible. So grab your popcorn, sit back, and enjoy the ride as we take you through the wild and wacky world of the AI race between browsers. Now, we know what you're thinking. Wow, a race between browsers, how exciting. But don't worry, we're going to spice things up a bit and make it a little more interesting. As we all know, Google Chrome has been dominating the market for years with a whopping 64.8% market share. But with Microsoft's new AI-powered Edge and Bing search engine gaining traction, Google is starting to feel the heat. In fact, they even assembled a task force to work on AI search features under the codename MAGA. Sounds like a Hogwarts spell, doesn't it? But Microsoft isn't the only one in the game. Mozilla recently launched a new AI-focused startup called Mozilla.ai, and they're planning to develop a trustworthy, independent, and open-source AI ecosystem. They want to prioritize incentives like human well-being and transparency, which is a refreshing change from the usual profit-driven motives of most tech companies. And let's not forget about Apple's Safari browser, which has a 19.5% market share. They may not be making as much noise in the AI race, but they're still a major player in the game. Now, I know what you're thinking, why does it matter which browser has the most AI capabilities? Well, imagine having a personal assistant that can anticipate your every need and provide you with the information you're looking for before you even ask for it. That's what these AI-powered browsers are trying to achieve. For example, Microsoft's AI-powered Bing search engine and Edge browser are using ChatGPT, a tool developed by OpenAI, to provide users with more personalized search results. It's like having your own personal genie in a bottle, but instead of granting wishes, it's giving you information. And while all this AI integration may seem exciting, it's also a bit concerning. With so much personal data being collected, we need to make sure that these AI systems are being developed safely and responsibly. That's why Mozilla's approach to developing an open-source AI ecosystem that prioritizes human well-being and transparency is so important. We need to make sure that our personal data isn't being used for profit-driven motives, but rather for our benefit. The AI race between browsers is a fierce competition that is currently ongoing in the tech world. With Microsoft's announcement earlier this year that they would be rolling out a new AI-powered version of its Bing search engine and Edge web browser using ChatGPT, the race for AI in web browsers intensified. This has ushered in a new era of browser wars as tech companies look to integrate AI in browsers amid competition for users looking for the best search experience. The market share for web browsers has been relatively stable in recent years, despite a variety of options being available to consumers. This dynamic that the AI race threatens to upend has led tech sector firms behind major browsers to make moves to integrate the new technology into their browsers and search engines. Since Google Chrome overtook Microsoft Internet Explorer in 2012 as the most popular web browser, it more than doubled its worldwide share of browser usage from about 29% to more than 60%, a level it has remained above since 2018, according to StatCounter. In an earnings call this week, Microsoft CEO Satya Nadella said that since the launch of the new AI-powered Bing search and Edge browser 2 months ago, we're making progress in share gains. Edge took share for the 8th consecutive quarter, and Bing once again grew share in the United States. These gains reportedly sparked concern at Google when they found out that Samsung was considering replacing Google with Bing as the default option on its devices, according to a report by the New York Times. The AI race between browsers is not only about gaining market share, but also about providing a better search experience for users. With AI-powered browsers, users can expect more personalized search results that anticipate their every need. For example, Microsoft's AI-powered Bing search engine and Edge browser are using ChatGPT to provide users with more personalized search results. Apple's Safari browser may not be making as much noise in the AI race, but it's still a major player in the game with a 19.5% market share. Although there hasn't been much news about AI integration in Safari, it's safe to assume that Apple is keeping a close eye on the competition and will make moves to integrate AI into its browser if necessary. Mozilla recently announced the launch of a new AI-focused startup called Mozilla.ai. They're planning to develop a trustworthy, independent, and open-source AI ecosystem. This is a refreshing change from the usual profit-driven motives of most tech companies. Mozilla President Mark Sherman told Fox Business that right now, most AI tools are being developed by a handful of companies with a narrow set of incentives, like profit and engagement. We think consumers should have access to an alternative paradigm, AI that prioritizes incentives like human well-being and transparency. Mozilla indicated that they're in the process of staffing up and fleshing out ideas for adding AI tools to Firefox. More information will be announced in the months ahead, but Mozilla Chief Product Officer Steve Teixeira said, "We're still in the planning phase on the integration of AI into Firefox. I certainly think you'll see us use AI to improve the web search experience, which is something that several browser companies are looking at. More specifically for Mozilla, we see AI as an opportunity to enable Firefox to serve as a trusted guide for customers." While AI integration in web browsers is exciting, it's also a bit concerning. With so much personal data being collected, we need to make sure that these AI systems are being developed safely and responsibly. That's why Mozilla's approach to developing an open-source AI ecosystem that prioritizes human well-being and transparency is so important. We need to make sure that our personal data isn't being used for profit-driven motives, but rather for our benefit. In the same earnings call, Pichai also announced that two Google AI teams, the Brain team at Google Research and DeepMind, would be merged into one unit to help accelerate our progress and develop the most capable AI systems safely and responsibly. This move by Google indicates that they're also taking AI development seriously and want to make sure that they're developing AI systems that are safe and responsible. The AI race between browsers isn't just limited to web search, though. AI can also be used to improve the browsing experience in general. For example, AI-powered browsers can help users navigate websites more easily by suggesting relevant content and providing personalized recommendations. AI can also be used to help users find information more quickly and efficiently by predicting what they're looking for based on their browsing history and search queries. Another area where AI can be used in browsers is in the detection and prevention of cyber attacks. With the increasing frequency and severity of cyber attacks, it's essential that web browsers have built-in security features that can detect and prevent these attacks. AI can be used to analyze network traffic and identify potential threats before they become a problem. This can help prevent data breaches and protect users' personal information. The AI race between browsers is also leading to the development of new AI technologies that can be used in other areas of technology. For example, ChatGPT, the tool developed by OpenAI and used by Microsoft's AI-powered Bing search engine and Edge browser, can also be used in other applications, such as chatbots and virtual assistants. The development of new AI technologies is leading to exciting new possibilities in the tech world, and the AI race between browsers is just one example of this. Well, that's a wrap, folks. The AI race between browsers is a fascinating competition that is pushing the boundaries of what's possible in the tech world. With AI-powered browsers, users can expect a more personalized search experience and a safer browsing experience overall. While there are concerns about the use of personal data and the development of AI systems that are safe and responsible, companies like Mozilla are taking a refreshing approach to AI development by prioritizing human well-being and transparency. It will be interesting to see how this competition plays out and what new AI technologies will be developed as a result.